Today's video will teach how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code on Linux Ubuntu. First open the browser. Then write VS Code and search. I will open the first website. There are separate installation files for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Since I will be installing VS Code on Ubuntu, I will download the .deb file. Clicking on .deb will download the file. I can see the setup file of VS Code inside the download folder. Terminal should be opened. cd download command to enter the downloads folder. The ls command is used to view the files inside the downloads folder. Then select the whole file and copy it by right-clicking on it. Then paste the copied file name with the sudo dpkg command. Press enter. It will take some time to complete the installation. Then open VS Code. Theme color of VS Code can be changed from settings. To install an extension in VS Code, click on the extension icon on the left. Here you can search and install any extension you need, but in this case there must be internet connection. An example is shown by installing the Python extension. A variety of extensions can be installed offline in VS Code. It does not require internet. First, click on the extension icon on the left. Click on three-dot option. Then click on Install from VSIX. Select the files and click on Install. Installed extensions are shown in Installed menu. How to download VSIX files is shown as an example. I am searching by typing Atom 1 Dark Theme Download. I will open the first site. If you click on VSIX file from VSIX Hub, the file will be downloaded. It will be located in the Downloads folder. I am searching by typing Code Runner Download. I will open the first site. If you click on VSIX file from VSIX Hub, the file will be downloaded. It will be located in the Downloads folder. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.